The market of digital currencies has been a steady fascination with dealers, individual financial backers, and institutional financial backers for a long while, and all the more significantly, so in the pandemic. The credit should be given to the advertised assumptions from government-issued types of money that couldn't endure for an extremely long period, going against the norm. Cryptographic forms of money have shown a strikingly considerable cost development, displaying enormous center-to-long-haul gains. This multitude of elements have been placed on a basic level by one response, the blockchain. With opportunity arrived cryptographic forms of money on the advanced guide with date-set achievements, and afterward showed the beginning of Qtum, all the more generally perused as Qtum. The local token Qtum of the Qtum convention is established on the standards of verification of stake, which is famous to be a brilliant agreement open-source blockchain stage with a Steam Move convention. One can say that it brings the smartest possible scenario, Bitcoin and Ethereum in one chain, adding the advantages of DeFi applications. The Qtum stage likewise consolidates UTXO exchange models integrating the execution of shrewd agreement execution and dApps. Qtum, the quantum calling, with a particular target of causing dealers to have a good sense of reassurance and exchanges safer and executed with lightning-quick speed. Qtum drifted its own ICO in WAC 2017. With an unselfish increase, it raised $15 million. Despite the fact that in the early phase of the send-off, Qtum was an ETH20 token, later it moved to local blockchain being onboarded to mainnet. The rudder at the underpinning of the Qtum convention is Patrick Dye, who is a specialist in software engineering from Draper College and has made famous commitments to different noted projects like Alibaba, Factom, VeChain, Bitsy Gathering, and Mailink prior to beginning Qtum in 2016. The other two prime supporters are the CTO and blockchain designer Neil Mahai and lead engineer Jordan Behrens. As a lead designer, Steven Zhu has been a lead engineer of Qtum starting around 2017. He was passed with Tencent and Microsoft, filling in as a product designer with a degree in PC Vision from the College of Chinese Foundation of Sciences. The Qtum project without a doubt has a world-class fragment backing the task with full help, including high-profile names like Bitcoin.com's Roger Ver and Jeremy Gardner, an early crypto financial backer turned skincare proficient, fellow benefactor of Foreshadow and Iron Blockchain Capital. Throughout some undefined time frame, the administration at Qtum understood the limit of BTC and ETH blockchains and chose to modify them, making the Qtum token more hardy and interoperable in light of a legitimate concern for all clients, tending to the center issues of administration and cost-related viewpoints concerning the confirmation of work instrument and the trouble of interfacing shrewd agreements with genuine application. Qtum has been a significant supporter of the improvement of unwinding two interesting innovations, record reflection layer and decentralized administration convention, rising up out of Bitcoin with a savvy layer. The record reflection layer coordinates the UTXO account layer propelled by Ethereum. It permits clients to assemble and have applications on virtual machines, including the Ethereum virtual machine and the x86 virtual machine. It additionally upholds the i686 guidance set in a few programming dialects like C, C++, Rust, and Python, making it exceptionally simple to adjust existing applications in order for Qtum. Going by the past value pattern and specialized investigation, the Qtum cost has stamped gigantic development over the long haul, which could be the essential justification for its ubiquity. The ongoing cost of Qtum remains at $1.90, with a market capitalization of $198,178,144. The 24 hours exchanging volume of Qtum remains at $24,661,528, with a circling supply of 104,478,647 Qtum. The Qtum cost expectations made in light of past information and specialists estimating the future cost of Qtum coins in the crypto market on different digital money trades are summarized beneath. Qtum USD has a splendid future ahead. With continuous improvements occurring inside the Qtum biological system, we might see the cost of Qtum arrive at new levels. It might outperform $115 mark by 2030, making Qtum a productive speculation. As per our Qtum cost expectation 2023 in specialized examination, the cost of Qtum crypto could hit $4.15, and over the course of the following 5 years, it could cross the $8.69 cost mark, which will make it a beneficial speculation. According to our Qtum conjecture, the coin is anticipated to cross $3.72 this year. After the following 5 years, Qtum's cost may be meandering around the $50.80 mark in light of our future figure information. Qtum USD forecasts. Toward the beginning of December 2023, the cost will be around $1.70. A greatest cost of $1.82. Least cost of $1.50 for December 2023. The typical Qtum cost for the long stretch of December 2023 is $1.66. Qtum cost estimate toward the finish of December 2023. MACD pointer reflects blended feeling as the MACD line and sign line cross over one another. Consequently, the coin could exchange a comparative pattern in the close to term prior to enrolling any precarious development. The outline has been estimated for Qtum cost in light of its functionalities, unwavering quality, and security. A further effect on Qtum cost should be visible in view of the exchanging or putting exercises by financial backers in the long as well as present moment. We should investigate the value expectations of this digital currency for the impending years. Qtum Value Forecast 2023. Qtum coin has laid out a solid organization, and its blockchain innovation-based items might get mass reception over the long run. In light of our Qtum cost expectation information, the crypto could without much of a stretch cross $4.50 toward the finish of 2023. This Qtum figure depends on different elements like authentic information, current cost patterns, market cap, items, decentralized applications, and so forth. Qtum Value Expectation 2024. There are a couple of hypotheses going ahead for the Qtum crypto conjecture. In view of our venture exhortation, a Qtum value expectation of around $5.50 is estimated for 2024. This estimate is simply founded on the essentials of Qtum and earlier cost information. According to the estimated cost level, clients ought to put resources into this crypto to acquire powerful benefits in the long haul. Qtum Value Forecast 2025. The driving forces cut the Qtum environment. Thus, in view of our long-haul crypto figure, Qtum is set to keep on exchanging with monstrous energy and effectively cross the value level of $7.12. An astonishing positive thinking is additionally anticipated for Qtum crypto fundamentally because of its consistent presentation throughout the long term. Qtum Value Forecast 2026. Brokers can expect that toward the finish of 2026, the reception of Qtum crypto cost will be decreased to the earlier year. The cost of Qtum could reach $9.45 toward the finish of 2026. Qtum Value Forecast 2027. In light of the past exhibition of the token, the typical cost is supposed to be around $10, while the base and greatest costs might be $9 and $11 separately. Qtum Value Forecast 2028. As indicated by our Qtum cost expectations, the symbolic will have least, normal, and most extreme costs of $10, $11, and $12 separately. Qtum Value Expectation 2029. According to our examination and estimate, the coin will exchange a scope of $12 to $15 where the previous is the base cost and the last option is the most extreme cost. Simultaneously, the typical cost of the coin is $13.50. Qtum Value Expectation 2030. In view of the Qtum forecasts, the typical worth of the